Introduction to Finding the Zone. Value of any location in Google Earth. Hello everyone. In one of the previous videos, you learned how to convert an AutoCAD drawing into a Google Earth KML file. Before converting a drawing to a KML file, it is important to know the UTM zone value of the location where the drawing belongs. In this video, you will learn how to find the latitude and longitude of a point, as well as its UTM coordinates and zone value using Google Earth. Open Google Earth and navigate to the location for which you want to determine the coordinates. You may notice that Google Earth continuously displays the latitude and longitude of the current mouse position in the status bar. However, it can be difficult to note down these values because they keep changing even with slight movements of the mouse pointer. To make this easier, Google Earth provides an option to copy the current view location. From the Edit menu, select Copy View Location. The coordinate values are now copied to the clipboard and can be pasted into any application, such as Notepad. You will notice that the copied coordinates are displayed in decimal degrees format by default. Google Earth allows you to display and copy coordinates in several formats, including decimal degrees, degrees, minutes, seconds, degrees and decimal minutes, universal transverse Mercator, UTM. To change the coordinate format, select Options from the Tools menu. When you choose the UTM format and navigate within Google Earth, the position of the point is displayed as zone, easting, and northing values. Therefore, to find the UTM zone value of any location, simply set the coordinate display format to UTM under the Tools, Options menu in Google Earth. In the next video, you will learn how to create a KML file in Google Earth. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 944-959-9709. Thank you for watching this video.